Absolutely.
No, Navika ji, I have strong objections to what Mr. Saravanan is saying.
Prohibits.
I do not care what his understanding of anything in this world is. I do not care. If he doesn't have the mind to apply and to understand what Sanatan Dharma means, I'm very sorry, it's not my job to teach him that. If you can't understand what Sanatan Dharma is, I'm very sorry, I'm not here to teach you that. But if you don't understand something, do not disrespect it. Nobody gives you the license to disrespect. What do you don't understand about Sanatan Dharma? What is, how you can't define it? Sanatan is timeless. Dharma is duty. It's a way of life. The Honorable Supreme Court has laid it. The Honorable Supreme Court has told what Hinduism is and how it is a way of life. But you want to compare it with caste system. Caste system is not Sanatan Dharma. I'm very sorry. Quote a Hindu text in Sanatan Dharma. Quote a Vedic text which speaks about the caste system in this country. But the problem is, and my political argument around this, Navika ji, is that this is a very strategic political statement of the DMK. The DMK is not saying this because they are stupid. The DMK is not saying this because they don't understand Sanatan Dharma. They are saying this to appease a certain sections. They are saying this to have the best of both
because
worlds.
there is a pattern. And Vivek Srivastava, I want to ask you, there is a pattern in this. A. Raja, former union minister, what did he say? He said Hindu religion, this is not Sanatan Dharma. Yes. This is Hindu religion is a menace not only to India but to the entire world. The Supreme Court had also looked at this entire speech of Udayanidhi Stalin and called it a hate speech. I want to ask you, why is there no condemnation? Why is the India alliance suddenly so zipped up? So tight-lipped? Since the last 3 years, they haven't had the freedom of speech, or they haven't felt outrage to call out what this is. And what the court has today said this is a hate speech, nothing else. It is also an abuse of the process of law. I'm not saying it, the court has said it. No FIR against the person who makes the speech, but an FIR against a person who tweets. Saravanan, coming to you, Vivek Srivastava first.
Yes.
I think after listening to Mr. Saravanan, all doubts have been cleared over here. If people don't want to agree, let them not agree. He is very clear. And let me tell you, if you go into the history of Periyar, he lived for months in USSR at that time, came back over here, started agitation. And you have to understand the Dravidian politics, the history of Dravids, the way the Dalits were subjugated to tortures, and that needs to be done. So they see the Sanatan Dharma and the Hindu Dharma where in a different light, and you have to appreciate it. Kala bolenge reservation mat do. All Hindus are same. Casteism hai nahi. Vand Vyavastha has been mentioned in many religious texts. There is a mention of Vand Vyavastha.
ये Nehru ji को समझ में नहीं आया. Did Nehru ji not understand? Because he called out Periyar. He called him a lunatic.
Yes, we had, yes, there were differences which the left also has with some views of Periyar, but there is absolutely no doubt, and there was a historic meeting between Mr. B.R. Ambedkar and Periyar at the time regarding the caste struggle. So you have to see it in that, you don't want to see it. I mean, Karunanidhi ji of the same party ruled for so many years.
Mitra, how convenient is this? We have differences, Nehru ji has differences, but the BJP cannot have any differences. If the BJP says something, then it is hate speech. If we all say something, then it is not hate speech. Simple, because they are the conscience keepers to the nation. Everybody else exists without a conscience, and what they follow is the good Hinduism. What we follow is the bad Hinduism. I think, is that the interpretation?
So, you know, Navika, this good Hindu, bad Hindu is exactly what America uses for Taliban and ISIS. Al-Jolani used to be a bad Muslim. The moment Al-Jolani started serving their interests, he became a good Muslim. So we've seen this joke throughout. But, you know, I want to completely endorse Vivek Srivastava, what he said, you know. Some Hindus have their own experiences with Hinduism, and we should respect that. So will he now respect Hindus who have very negative experiences with Islam and Christianity, saying what they want about Islam and Christianity? Vivek, will you support that?
No, I mean... No, and I think vice versa should also be agreed upon. I totally endorse the sufferings of the Shankaracharya. I agree.
You agree
Shankaracharya is suffering today.
About Islam and
no justice for Shankaracharya.
He's not answering the question.
अब बीजेपी डिसाइड करेगी अगला शंकराचार्य कौन?
The question. Anyway, can you fade him?
I am answering your question.
Because he's not.
Why don't you answer on Shankaracharya first?
It's a quick yes or no. You're not
Why don't
saying
you?
that.
Why don't you answer on
Next, I
Shankaracharya
just want
first?
to- Do
Are you
know-
saving the Sanatan Dharma
Abhika, can you
by
please fade him, yaar?
victimizing the Honorable Shankaracharya? Will somebody answer that?
Vivek Srivastava, let's not interrupt everybody. He asked you a question, yes or no answer, you can't give it. Please hold on. Allow Abhijit to complete his point.
On the 5th
No,
of
I
June,
can.
and this is where I want to ask the DMK
If there is a
spokesperson.
criminal Muslim.
On the
Okay, I'm
5th
lowering your everybody's faders. Abhijit, go on.
On the 5th of June 1957, Periyar burnt a map of India. He called on his followers to burn the Constitution of India, and he was sentenced to 6 months in jail for it. This is also the root of Dravidianism. I want to ask Mr. Saravanan, will he condemn Periyar on this show now for burning the Constitution of India and calling his people to burn the map of India? Will you?
Mr. Saravanan.
Why should I?
Yeah,
You
there
condemn.
go.
You want, you condemn.
This is Dravidianism. You understand? This party supported the LTT. This is a party that the Congress withdrew support from being in government for being implicit in the killing of Rajiv Gandhi. What are we talking about? This is a party that was running a separatist scam that wanted to separate Tamil Nadu from India. We are taking them at face value. He is trying to make a false equivalence saying, oh, we are pro-Hindu but anti-Sanatana Dharma. This is, Hinduism is the exonym. What foreigners call it, Sanatana Dharma is what we call it. The same Periyar used to go around smashing idols. If Udayinidhi, now see, there are two explanations. One is Udayinidhi has had a very bad education, but if he's had a good education, he could just say we're opposing caste. Why do you have to say Sanatana Dharma? Then they claim, then their own argument in court is, oh, he didn't actually say wipe it out. He said abolish. Tell me something that call for abolition, as he claims, came with calling it malaria, dengue, mosquitoes. Do you eradicate malaria, dengue and mosquitoes, or do you abolish malaria, dengue and mosquitoes? You think malaria can be abolished by an act of law? Abolition is an act of law. Eradication is a medical, physical act. So, you know, this is the kind of two-facedness these people have now. It is congenital to the so-called DMK's Dravidian movement. It has started with Periyar. And notice, he will still not condemn Periyar for asking to burn the Constitution and burn the map.
But then they are rightfully the Save the Constitution Brigade. Yeah. We have to believe them that the Constitution is in danger. They will save the Constitution. Sarvananji, please respond to the charges by Abhijit Iyer Mitra.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. We don't want certificates on nationalism and our patriotism by the people or the stooges of the RSS. Our nationalism, our patriotism is well exhibited and the people know who we are. This is one aspect of the matter. I can go and elaborate how we were the only party which collected money when India was at war. We gave the highest amount in the China war.
Nobody is seeking any certificates from anybody. But the point of the matter is, when one religion is condemned in such a manner and called out by the courts, you are still coming out and saying, no, you are right and the court is wrong, the constitution is wrong, people are wrong, everybody else is wrong, but you are right. Saravanan, I mean, that is an extreme position to take.
Yes, I'll answer
that is an extreme position to take.
Give me 5 seconds. Give me 5 seconds. I'll answer that. Not an extreme position. I'll explain that to you.